To connect your Google Pixel 10 Pro with a car, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to move to connected devices right here, connection preferences, then all the way down we can find Android Auto. Click on it and then you will see your Google Play Store. Here you need to make sure that you update your Android Auto app. When it's done, you can start connecting. So let's wait a few seconds. Okay, so it's installed. We can go back and click on Android Auto again. Then we need to go for a Plus Connect vehicle, and here you have two methods to connect with your car. First one is to use a cable, USB-C end, to connect with your phone, and then the other end that allows you to connect it with your car. And if you manage to connect it, then you should automatically connect with your vehicle. If you don't want to do it, you want a wireless version, go for connect using wireless Android Auto. Enter pairing mode on your car and then connect using a Bluetooth. Wait until your vehicle shows up right here, and then you should be able to select it and connect with your car. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.